Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of my game devlog. In yesterday's video, um, we were able to complete our first order. So we were able to um, give or complete an order for our first customer. So, but the functionality wasn't completed as I had hard-coded to always complete the order for the first customer, like the one who was available on the first zeroth index. So let's fix that today, and then we'll think about what we'll do next. So let's get started. Okay, so where was this? Oh yeah, this one, this over here. We need to change it to some other variable. Okay. We can actually get the index of our customer from the customer themselves. Um, but I need to just make sure if we had current customers, right? Customers in waiting queue. So like current customers. Hmm. Okay. So I'm thinking that do we really need this index over here? Why not just pass the customer logic and just let me just make another complete customer order with different parameter. Um, how about um, customer logic and just copy paste this over here. This something like this. Okay, and right here, what I can do is I just can pass the customer logic, and this will work. Let's verify this and see if this will actually work or not. So currently when I spawn a customer, it says button, right? So we should actually change this to show the name of the customer, either it's slave or common folk. So currently this is not randomized, right? And the recipes are not randomized. Maybe we should just, okay, first we need to check if our every single customer is being served without any issues. So need to change the name. Okay, so let's figure this out. Where's customer logic? So here. How about I do something like this? Get component. I don't know. Yes, yes. In children. Text. Row dot text is equal to customer dot something like this. I'm sure that every single customer would be a slave, but just because we are not changing anything from over here, let's hit play and see if it's working. So yeah, we have 3. Biscuit, chocolate spoon. Let's give this one its order, and I think that everything seems to be working as it should. Sir, there you go. Okay, so let's spawn a couple more and just give the middle one its order. Let's actually see this from over here. This is the first one, second one. Let's give the second one. Yeah. So our logic is working correctly. Okay. So now what? Should I make maybe I should make some more recipes like vanilla cone, berry cone, and change this to cup. And we're done. Okay. So let's pass all these recipes to save. Something like this. And then what we can do is we can go back to our customer logic script and when there's a think time, it should show something like current order. Where is thinking? Okay, something like current order is equal to change 0 starting and then customer dot recipes, I guess. Order list dot count. Do something like customer dot order list, something like this, and then just I choose how about this, and we don't actually need the debug recipe now. Where is the it was an order system, I guess. Where is that debug recipe? We had one. I'm sure we had one. This over here. We don't actually need this anymore. Need this, and you can just say current order dot recipe cost, something like this. Okay. Now let's go back to our game and see if it's working. So let's spawn one customer first. And what should I order? I chose chocolate cone. Okay. Then next customer, I chose chocolate cone. What? How? Everyone is choosing chocolate cone. Why is that? Maybe let's go back to our think time. What is going on? Where is save? Phone, double tap, so Let's play this again. Chocolate cone. Why? Okay, let's pause this and see in our debug. It says vanilla cone over here. This wants strawberry cup. Oh, maybe. Oh, I'm very sorry. I didn't actually change anything over here. So yeah, my bad. This would be recipe chocolate cup. This would be again chocolate cup, and this would be a fruit cup now. And let's go through every single one of these recipes and change their data. Strawberry. Now I think now we will have the correct what should I order? Strawberry cone. Very nice. Strawberry cup. Grenadine cup for strawberry flavor. Very nice. So let's so another update that I want to make is placing order, right? So instead of showing this, what I can do is I can show the same thing in the UI. So what I can do is I can take this over here and maybe how about I change its size to something like maybe I just add an image. This will be order. This will have a vertical layout group, middle center, spacing I guess 15, control child size. This would be just a text box pro. Order ingredient just use color to black and the size. Maybe 25 would be right amount. And it as well. I just add some padding. Maybe 10 to bottom. The size of this is not. Yep, actually, this was the reason. Okay, so we can actually, for now, what we can do is we can actually order not more than maybe what I can do is I can add content size filter and say preferred size, I guess, something like this, but this should be like this. Do something like this. Yep. This is, I guess, correct for now. For now, it will work. Okay. So we have our order UI, and we need to make another prefab. Let's change this to like this. So yeah, I need a little break for now, and I'll be back in just a minute. And we are back. So yeah, so we created a new prefab, I can just pass it over here in customer logic. Is this precious level indicator? Then we would also need a list. Maybe text. So when over here, what we can do is do something like we do just something like this, and just add this to our default order text. It there will be an exception. Yeah, it's better to just do this. And when it's done, okay. And then when we complete the order, we need to just clear out every single thing. So let's leave it void clear by. Actually, we don't actually need to, but we don't want to show the order window when the order is complete, when the customer is actually leaving the restaurant, right? Maybe we need to clear our, maybe hide it, and then the garbage collection will handle it for us. Let's wait. think we should just keep it simple. And when we are thinking, we need to do something like what can I do to achieve we do something like this, change text to and then after it has done I need to remove it. So let's go back and test this out if this works. Customer button apply. Pass this transform and pass this. Apply. Let's hit play. Okay. Let's spawn a customer. Um, why is it right? Oh, sorry. This would be transform. We could change that to dot transform, but I like to just do it this way. Customer's thinking now. What? We haven't forgot to add this over here as well, and now it will work fine. Okay. Hit play. spawn our customer. What should I order? A cup and a vanilla flavor. So what if I change the hierarchy? Something like this. Yeah, this is what we wanted. Okay, let's go over here, click here and reverse arrangement. And now our order will be in order, in the correct order. So let's hit play again and spawn a customer. What do you want, sir? Chocolate flavor, chocolate cone you want, right? So cone, so this is cone. It has started processing, finished. Now chocolate scoop, let me add this. Finish processing. Here you go, sir. How about you? Thinking strawberry. Okay, let me just fetch this for you. Cup. Okay, we both want a strawberry scoop. And here you go, sir. This is not my order. Why? What happened? Something, I guess. So I need an indicator to show if this machine is processing currently. It has done processing. It has an item or not. Currently we are relying on. Okay, so which machine has one strawberry? Dispenser as a cup. Okay, maybe we are not actually. It wasn't done processing and we hadn't picked our order yet. So let's just click over here and give it what? Oh, okay. So now I have this order. So why did I need to click it 2 times? I'm not sure. Maybe it's some flaw, logic issue at my end. I'm not sure. And by the way, this is way too the timer is way too short for us to process our order. So maybe we need to patience level is 60. I need a minute at least, right? Still. On a customer. Maybe we need to add some kind of an indicator over here. That maybe change these to green, green, orange, and blue. Green means that the machine is ready to process an order. Orange means it is in processing state, and blue means that the order is ready to be picked up from the machine. So let's do this for now. We have all the data in here, machine manager, and we have a processing time image, right? We can just change this to something like, how about we add some colors? For the states idle. We can go back to our hierarchy quickly click on the machine manager and let's set the colors. Anyways, the idle was green, right? Orange. This was blue. We actually did not change any color. So machine manager. Machine dot processing time dot color is equal to white. Very nice. What about has started processing? Machine dot processing color. What idle it's processing color. Has done processing, then we need to just let's see. What? No errors, but this color is not changing, right? And why is that? Machine does not go to idle. Where is machine idle? Should I call machine idle from over here? Let's sometimes Unity is not that friendly. Okay, so yeah, everything is great. If I click over here, machine has started processing. The order is ready. Let's give it to strawberry scoop machine. And oh, so that's quite a long delay. But we have ample time now, right? So we maybe for the sake of this debugging phase, I guess we need to just change the processing time to 1 second. So let's now spawn a couple of customers and just process their orders. Okay, you want a vanilla cup, you want a cone. Cup needs a vanilla scoop, cone needs a strawberry flavor. This is ready, here you go sir. This is ready, here you go sir. Cup and chocolate scoop, here you go. And this is looking pretty good now, right? So we don't actually need to, now we're not actually seeing these debugs anymore. We don't need them. For now I can leave them over here, but when we shift to showing everything in our UI, I'll just remove them altogether because there's a small performance hit whenever we call and actually draw uh, our debugs in our game in an editor, or maybe whenever we have set our build as development build. I guess we are good to go. What we have done, so customers are so what we can do is we can now move on to um, something like spawning customers. Let me just see if we have some time. Maybe we can work another 20 minutes or so. Okay. Now we need to spawn our customers, and we can remove this from our debug or utility manager. If we start designing our levels, or we can work on the player controller. I guess we can work on the player controller later. I wanted to show some kind of a game object over here, maybe a 2D sprite or something. We have something like this. This would be our player. I'm not sure if we would be able to see this in front of the UI. Oh, this is way too. And actually, we want to could always change these values and the size will increase, but I don't actually want to change it over here in the packages. So what can we do? Here's our camera. Here's our view. Get back to something 50. One in front of our camera. Something like this. This would be our player. We can move around and maybe in another video, I guess, but for now I don't think we need to move our player around. Let's delete this. Okay, now how about we should start working on our level manager. So do we have a level manager? Nope. Now this level manager would be responsible for handling our customer logic. Sorry, not the customer logic, customer spawning. let's just create another game object and pass this over here. We made level, right? So let's just and this was a scriptable object. Something. You can add this later. Okay, now how about we change this to let's just say level. Introducing level manager means that now we need to manage game save states, right? And yeah, that is another level of difficulty. Anyways, let's just create. We'll just change. Maybe make 3 level 2. We need to do this. So let's use these. This will have 4 waves, this will have 5 waves. We need to complicate. Level time is 1/8. If this has a 3-minute window to complete, we can add 60 seconds over here. So it would be 240. 300. The wall will be 200, and over here it will be 150. And do is we can pass we have our levels ready, and we need to have something like level number, maybe something like this, or index. Doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, what can we do with this? When we start, something like initialize level, something like this. Nope, it's a public field. Okay. Let's just do a play pref if we pref start as key, okay, then load level would just set our current index. Maybe just not change the level number, change to current level index. We play pref start something like this, and perfect. Perfect, I guess. We call this anyways. We have our levels, right? Now we need to actually go through spawning. Maybe private enumerator. Diamond. Delay. No, it's not spawn delay. It's level time. Level. Just need to something like something like maybe crimson, and last name would be well, okay, maybe check this work. We called from okay. I'm terribly sorry. Let's just do this and are we good now? I suppose we are good. Okay. Reset. Level manager has its values. Debug level time. So we need to actually remove this, like this from here. We don't actually need a level start timer. We don't actually need to show our level complete UI from here. Okay. All of these private, yes, they are. Don't want to. How about just I could just get all of these by making me think for a moment. What can be done? I don't need you. Do not be part of order UI. You can just copy paste everything from here. Every single thing. then we need a reference system. Payment ID. If it works for now, it's completely fine. Order system. Current coupon is private, right? So we can change this. Yes. This. Just copy, paste. What would be the right thing to say? Back to our level manager. Paste it over here. Move it from here. We paste every single thing. Add any header. So we'll complete something like this. Okay. Yes. No. Change these to public and just hide it from inspector for our convenience. Or should I just do everything like this? Get total customer served, get this and that, something like that. That's next successful orders. Failed order. Average order rating, total devs, and order earning. We just need to do anything else. customer served. Successful. Failed. Rating. Tips. Okay, and this would be in spawn customer. We have maybe it's past 20 minutes mark and it's already past 1 hour. Maybe we can spawn customers in next video. You pass every single thing. Maybe make the level and time 5 minutes. Debug current level index found in it. 5 seconds, we should see. Great. Let's just turn this up. Seconds. Maybe 3 minutes is very little time, right? So if I say that I need for we need to increase this to what? Just change this to something like level time in minutes and level time in seconds, or maybe just change this to a string and get convert that string to time in seconds. For now, let's just calculate this. Maybe I need, if I have total number of customers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then nine customers, they take a minute, 9 minutes long, 10 minutes, 10, it's okay. I guess that can work. 10 minutes for one level. Maybe we are very fast and do it quickly, maybe in 5 minutes. Whatever time we have left, if we done it quick enough, we can just convert that time in reward amount, add something to it. I'm not sure, but this I think works. So let's change this to 540. And where will we display our time? Displaying our time means that we need to actually use the update function now. Okay. Let's do this. Time. We add 5 this. Let's go to the internet and find, maybe ask Gemini to do this for us. How about what do we want? Write an update function. Do it ourselves. I've done this, or maybe I can't just add a number to how many times I've done this, so maybe we can just ask Gemini to maybe save our time here. We need to level timer project scale to 4. I know Gemini already knows this when I tell it that it's a Unity project, but let's just tell this anyways. I need to show level 10 will be like minutes. have level time, maybe 540 seconds, that translate to minutes. We need to see if it understands what we want. And yeah, perfect. What we can do over here is it will provide more time and just paste this. Our text was public, text pro, timer, use it over here. When we do this, we don't actually need this anymore, right? But I'll just leave it here for now. And let's see if our calculate, okay, cal let's test this out. Time we don't need this. No, we need it. So it's actually decrementing this time, right? So we just need to change it to what if actually we need it, and just in initialize level we can just say current time is equal to levels, current level index hot. If we directly pass this value over here, I think what we'll do is that it will do is it as our level script is a scriptable object. I suppose that this will just decrement it directly from there, and just the scriptable object will get saved and our level time will be affected. So I think I need to just put this over here. Anyways, let's test this out. Let's pass this over here and let's play. we have a running timer, level timer, and we can just, we will know that how much time we have left in order to complete every order. So this is not a hard time, like if it comes to 0, then the level will just show us a pop-up that your level is complete, even if the customers are there. So even if the level timer gets to 0, our program would wait for us to serve all the customers that are here, like in front of us, in front of our stall. But what this will do is that this will, if for some reason we are um, late in our orders, and the timer gets to 0, and there were some waves that needed to come in our level, and this will do is that it will stop the waves entirely. Like no more new customers can come after our level time is over. It's like a real life situation, right? If a bakery or an ice cream or any shop is open, customers can come in, but after maybe a time has passed, like maybe 5 in the evening, the shop closes. After that, no more customer can come. So that we can treat that as our level timer. So that in currently our level timer is in minutes. So let's we can just translate to maybe 10 minutes to maybe 10 hours of opening our shop. Uh, and in that slot, if the customer doesn't come, so it's not our fault. Or maybe the queue is long enough that the customer cannot actually come inside our shop. So yeah, that would be the right thing to say. Anyways, I think that we are done for today. It's a very long video. I don't think I should um, carry any longer. Maybe we just go on a couple of customers and just go through every single order. Every single one just order a vanilla flavor cone. How is that possible? Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Now the customer has spawned, but he is not actually ordering anything because there is a queue in front of him. Anyways, cone, vanilla. Here, now he is trying to give us an order. Now that was very lucky situation. He needs a cone. Here you go, sir. Here you go, sir. Maybe spawn a couple of more customers just to test. Chocolate flavor cone. Okay, this one is ready. I'm not going to give it to you, sir. I just choose to give the person that came after you, so that you will think about this all day. Anyways, let's just give this order. How about I just do something like vanilla. Here you go, sir. This is not my order. Okay, and we know this, so we'll trash this order for you. Okay, and then we'll give you your order. And I guess we're done. We have still time left, and I think this is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.